To be able to A/B test App Store icons and see which one performs better, you will go to App Store Connect, select your app, go to Product Page Optimization, create a new test, choose number of treatments 1. I think it's better to test one icon against the original, but you can select many treatments. Your test duration, I don't know, this is something I'm still figuring out, so choose a number. And you should see an app icon here, where you will select, against the original, an alternative icon, and just start test. It needs to pass through the Apple review, and that's it. If you don't see this tab, there's a good reason for it. You don't have alternate icons in your published build. Alternate icons are different versions of your app icon that need to be in the app build, reviewed by Apple, and published. Once those are published, you will see this tab appear. If you need to change something, change your alternate icons, you need to go over the process again, publish a new build, review it, and then you will see it appear when you want to run a new test. If you're working on Expo React Native, there is no built-in way to do it. You need a plugin. I used this one. So all you need is to install it and include it in the app configuration, place your alternate icon in the images directory, and publish to test flight. Name is the identifier that you'll see in the App Store Connect. Name needs to be in the Pascal case, why I don't know. Keep it simple and don't change it unless you plan to ship a new build. I don't have any good advice for testing it. This is something I'm still figuring out. By the way, I made a dream journal app for tracking your dreams. If you dream a lot, you should try out my app. I'll share the link in the description. It's available both on Android and iOS. And thanks for watching.